Hi there, welcome to Acti Learning. In this video we're going to be looking at semiquaver or 16th rests. Okay, we're going to have a look at how to tap these rhythms correctly, and then we're going to have a quiz at the end. Okay, these are the note values. Okay, we've got individual videos on each of these and I explain and break down all of them, and we have practice. So if you're not sure about any of these and you want to go over the basics or anything, then please check out our other videos. Okay, so this is a semiquaver or a 16th rest. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like a quaver rest, but it has two little dashes. Okay, and it's the same value as a semiquaver or a 16th note, and it's a quarter. So the thing with rests is that you need to count them. Even though they are rests, you have to count the rest. Okay, so like this one, mega slow, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4. Okay, try it a couple more times before we speed it up a little bit. Okay. Now let's try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, brilliant. Great, now we're ready to try some back to back. Okay, so we're going to keep a steady pulse, steady rhythm, and give it a try. Ready? Here's the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Again. Right, how did you find that? Try that one more time before we move on. All right, let's have a look at a different arrangement of these rests. Okay, let's have a look at this example. Here's the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how did you get that? Should we try it one more time before we move on? Right, we're going to go ever so slightly faster now. Okay, and practice these rhythms and get them even more secure. The pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Did you get that one? Do you want to try it one more time? Right, for this next rhythm, we have a mixture of some eighth notes or some quaver notes. Okay, let's practice this one. Here's the pulse. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. How did you get on with that one? Maybe try it one more time before we move on, because we're changing to a 3/4 time signature now. Here we go with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to try one more of those. How did you get on? If you need to go over it again, try it before we move on. Right, let's start our second practice in 3/4 time. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, how did that one go? Do you want to try it one more time before we move on? I hope you've got to grips of that so far, because we're moving on to a different type of arrangement. So we've moved the semiquaver rest to the middle, so it's on the second one now. So ultra slow, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, rest, 3, 4. Got that? So we're going to speed it up now. So let's make sure you practice it slowly before we start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? So that's right. I think we're ready for some back-to-back ones now. Okay, so let's set our tempo and we're going to give it a try. Ready? Let's set the tempo. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, brilliant. Well done. Do you want to try it one more time before we move on? Right, so I hope you're enjoying this. We're going to do another practice. It's a similar arrangement. We're just changing it around just so we get really good grips of it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? All right, brilliant. Should we move on to another one, or do you want to try it one more time? Okay, here we go. So let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, amazing. Well done. How did you find that one? Definitely ready for a new rhythm or a new arrangement. So as you can see, now the semiquaver rest has moved to the third quarter. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that's practice that a few more times before we move on to the faster one. Right, and now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? Right, let's get our pulse ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, did you get that? Right, that's brilliant. Let's move on to the next one. If you're ready, or go over it again. Right, here's practice number 2. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing, well done. Are you ready to move on? Do you need to go over anything again? If so, please do. Practice number 3, I've mixed some of the different arrangements that we've learned already. Okay, so have a look at this before you start, have a think, and then we're going to practice it. Okay, maybe this one you might need to do a couple more times. Okay, we're on practice number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow, if you got that one, that is fantastic. Brilliant, well done. Okay, so for our final practice, we're going to mix it up a little bit and we're going to try 1 in 3/4 time. Okay, here's the pulse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? That was it. Good, well done. Right, so anything you need to cover, just go over it now because we're about to start our quiz. Okay. Quiz time. So we're going to test all of your knowledge on semiquaver rests and we'll have a bit of a listening quiz as well. All right, here's the first question. Which of these rests is a semiquaver or a 16th rest? Okay, think of your answer carefully. Think about what we learned at the beginning of the video. All right, answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. That's right. It's the one with the double tail. Okay, now let's have a look at this. Music maths. What is the correct answer? How many semiquaver rests do you need to equal a crotchet? Think about this one. Pause the video because the answer's coming up. 3, 2, 1. 4. Yeah, so they're quarters, so it'd be 4 of the semiquaver rest or 16th note rest. Right, we have a listening question. Are you ready? Pulse. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I played that twice. What do you think it is? Think about it. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. That was definitely B because there was rests at the beginning of each section. Okay, how many semiquaver rests would you need to equal a semibreathe? Okay, pause the video, think about this one. Music maths, answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Yes, you would need 16 because a semibreathe is 4 beats and these are quarters. Okay, right, now which one is the longest duration? So which one of these rests lasts the longest? Pause the video, think about it before the answer comes up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's a crotchet rest or a quarter rest, and that is because it's 1 beat, the rest aren't as long. Right, which rhythm can you hear? Here's the pulse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which one did you hear there? Have a think about it. Listen to it again if you need to. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was A. Right, it's another 1 in 4/4 time. Let's have a listen to the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Which one do you think that one was? Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Answer was A. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out more of our videos on rhythm, covering, we have an online course as well. Also have a book that takes you through the whole journey of piano from beginner level with all full YouTube instructions. Thanks.